What's going on, everybody? It's your pal Smitty here again with another product release update for your favorite place to spend your hard-earned cash, GoShineOn.com/shop. Now today I'm going to talk to you about the Super Polisher Combo Kit, which has everything that you need to go from weekend warrior to a full-on business. Well, except for buffers, because we don't make those yet. Let's go in the shop and check this thing out. Alright, so again, just like with the Business Startup Kit, the Weekend Warrior Edition, we want you all to be safe when you start your polishing business, so we're including a full face respirator, and this time, instead of the black safety flanges that need the extension, there's going to be 2 sets of custom center plates for the buffs that we've included with this kit. Moving on to the buffs and compounds, again we've got a brown bar. This time we've got 2 orange centerless buffs, a green bar and 2 yellow centerless buffs, a black bar, a red centerless buff, a yellow bar, and a pink centerless buff, and 2 white flannel centerless buffs as well. And again, if you've been paying attention to our other videos, you know exactly what each and every one of these things is for. Moving on, you got to keep those buffs clean, so we've thrown in a buff rake for you. It comes in very handy. Don't use a screwdriver, for crying out loud. And moving on to our liquids included with this kit, we've got a bottle of Rebel Red, a bottle of Pro Red, and a bottle of Pipe Dream. To get those on, again, we've got a pack of wax applicator pads, and to get them off, again, the red microfiber cloths for you. And also included with the Super Polishing Kit, we've got whitening powder. You'll get 1 container of this, and that's really nice for helping cut through some of the grease. If you've seen some of my other videos on Instagram, you'll know some of its other uses as well. And lastly, we're also going to throw in a free can of Evans glass cleaner for you. Works incredibly well on all your windshield. Alright, and that'll pretty much do it for today. What'd you like about it? What didn't you like about it? Leave the comments down below.